All right. The next question is I'm 17 years old and I feel like people don't take me seriously. I'm having a difficult time getting my first drone gig. All right. So let's talk about this. We've all been there. We've all been there trying to get our first jobs. We've all been in a situation where we're trying to get our first job in a particular industry. So the first thing is if you are brand new, you don't have any work experience. So you're 17 years old, this might be your first job. What you'll want to do is find different opportunities that you can do to build sort of your portfolio of work. It doesn't even necessarily have to be in the drone industry. It can be doing some other thing. It can show that you're reliable, that people can count on you, that you can get work done, and that you do a good job. You know how to complete projects, you know how to work with people, all that kind of stuff. So really learn how to talk about the things that you already know how to do and how you can apply that to the drone industry. Okay. So that's the first thing is really just finding some of these things that you can do to start building up your skills, whether it's the professional skills, so teamwork, project management, time management, getting things done. But then also as you're trying to build out any drone skills. So if you want to get a job flying a drone, what kinds of things can you do to start building up that portfolio? Can you do some things on your own? Can you create a YouTube channel highlighting some of the work that you've done? Can you create a TikTok account highlighting some of the work that you've done? Can you do pro bono work? Can you work with nonprofits? Can you work with small companies? A tit for tat bartering type of system so that you can get some of that portfolio work so that you can have some work that you can show potential clients that this is the kind and the quality of work that you're able to do. If you are trying to get a job, make sure that your resume really highlights what are the skills that you already have. If you're trying to start a business, making sure that your portfolio really highlights what it is that you can do to help satisfy your customers, to give your customers values. The next thing I would really say is to seek out mentors. So you might be able to find if you are trying to break into flying drones as a gig, you're 17 years old, you don't really necessarily have that work experience. You might be able to find somebody who's doing a business that you want to be doing and approach them in a way that you are interested in learning from them. You're interested in learning from their experience. You're interested in seeing how it is that they do things. Maybe frame it as you want to do some sort of an internship with them that it might not necessarily be starting your own business, but you're getting that really good experience with somebody who maybe has a little bit more experience. They're showing you the ropes. They're showing you some of these things, but then you can also use that to create your portfolio of work that you can do.